After demanding that an interloper get off his sprawling lawn, a 90-year-old Florida man twice punched a neighbor in the face.
Okay, I think you can talk to about how to go
Sprinkler
better
wasn't
about
working.
that.
I don't know what I had to do with it.
Sprinkler wasn't working.
After asking
Oh,
Conrad numerous times to leave them alone, Henson recalled an agitated and aggressive Conrad declared, I should punch you.
I should punch you.
And then Henson said he replied, go ahead, but I wouldn't advise or the police will get called. Cops alleged that Conrad, seen it right, punched Henson twice in the face. Okay.
I was going to say, his
He's like
face
an
looks
old
like
guy.
overstretched slime. Like slime that's been played with too much.
Okay. That's not right.
Doesn't it? Someone's been playing too much with that slime and they put it on a human.
Now I have to
Probably
fight back.
when he punched the guy, it didn't stop shaking for like 5 minutes after.